Hey there, just got sent this awesome vibration plate and wanted to show you how to use it and the details of it. So you get this cool remote control as well. We're going to hit the on button. Super simple to use. And then here's a program button. There are 9 different programs that you can set it to. So you can go ahead and hit start and we can scroll through some of the different programs. I also like on the remote that there's a walk, jog, or run feature for like a quick start to it. So we can take it down to walk, which would be our slower. This is going to be jog. And then this is going to be sprint. Now you do get this bar here, which is great for stability as well. You can totally feel the workout everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and hit the pause button here. You can also set a timer on it as well. It comes with 2 of these, so let's attach those as well. Come on down here. There's a little clip right here, so you can just clip it right on. And then that's great for like arm exercises. I'll show you some of the cool things you can do with that. So now that you have these clipped in, you can see you get some great resistance. So you can have the vibration machine going and do a resistance workout with it. Put that down. Also, you can connect this to your Bluetooth so you can get some music going, which I always love. This is a great non-slip grip. It has some acupressure points too, and then you just can use it to turn on with or without the remote. Your choice. You can adjust the time. There's 9 different programs. Start, stop, and you can see it shakes so well. Whole body workout. The farther you stand out, usually the more it shakes. So if you want a little less intensity, go closer with your stance. If you want more, go wider with your stance. Plus you're going to get this booklet and it gives you a whole bunch of ideas of things you can do for working out on this. So there's way more to do than just standing there. And you can also just use it for stretching, which is great too. It shows you how to do a really good neck stretch, all the different things. Love the addition of the stability bar if you need that or want that, and that has some good foam padding on it as well. Usually when I'm doing my hair in the morning and straightening it or curling it, I'll jump on my vibration plate and do a quick 10 or 15 minute workout on it while I'm multitasking. I absolutely love these and I think you will too.